Today we're revisiting this 42-inch S.M.C Royal Flush. Manufactured back in 1987, 3-speed electrically reversible, polished brass finish paired with a set of oak stencil blades. Typical S.M.C arch tip there. Blades are plain oak on top, with around a 11-12 degree blade pitch. Coming on the side of the motor housing here, we have the information sticker, model U42. Fan has the brown UFO motor in it. Filmed this fan around 7 odd some years ago. Forget exactly where I got this from. I did, and this is the second one of these identical that I've owned. I've owned another one that I know I got from a Habitat Restore, but I've sold that off or did something with it, no longer have it. I later found this one. Didn't think I have any kind of light on it when I first filmed it, so I decided to throw on that forearm light with the beveled glass shades. Fan's got a 3-way pull chain switch there. Show you what that looks like turned on. And let's jump in and get started. Started up here on low. Low speed here, we're doing around 105 RPM. A bit fast for average for a low speed on a 42-inch fan. Throwing out a subtle breeze. Pretty quiet, it's got a slight hum to it, to be expected. Bearings aren't too bad. We'll go to medium. Medium here, we're doing around 215 RPM. Pretty decent. And high. High speed, we're doing around 275 RPM. It's got a slight wobble to it due to the warp blades, but other than that, pretty smooth running fan. Don't know, can't remember exactly how this compares to my new in the box antique brass one of the same generation that I recently filmed, but I would imagine it's about the same. Turn the light back on. And that's all I got. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video on this 42-inch S.M.C Royal Flush Model U42 from 1987. Stay cool. Take care. Peace.